Hello viewers, welcome back. Another vlog here. Today I'm taking you through the Kuttipuram-Panani highway, which was constructed a few years back. Oftentimes, I ride my bike on this route in spite of heavy traffic. I find a lot of cyclists coming here, this route, cycling in the morning and of course in the evenings, just because the place is beautiful and of course convenient for anyone to reach here from any location. There are not many houses or buildings on both sides. Most part of the highway is in fact empty on both sides. Very often you can come across paddy fields as well. Talking about the quality of the road, it's very good, I must say that. Any cyclist would love coming here. We don't find any street lights here. I don't know why the officials haven't thought about it. So riding in the dark here is very much dangerous for a rider like me. You find a lot of warning boards like this: leave sooner, drive slower, and live longer. Can come across a lot of temples on the way. There is also a masjid or two. It's a place for all. If you come this way in the rainy season, you can find it green and unbelievably beautiful. Because we are approaching the summer, most part of the paddy fields have dried up, and of course the harvest is over, so you won't find any green paddy fields anymore. It's one of the mainstream roads here. It saves your time to a great extent, traveling from Kuttipuram to Panani, leaving the old national highway. Now most of the people travel this way. In between we'll find a lot of pocket roads on both sides of this highway. Now I'm going to take you through one of them. To be true, it's the first time I'm coming through this road. I know people who go in search of finding new locations, places of interest to visit. My piece of advice for all those people is that they should explore places nearby rather than exploring places far away. For the last decade or so, we have seen commendable growth in the construction of roads in Kerala. This is just an example. Look at this road, just smooth and cozy. I remember the childhood I used to spend in Manjeri. We had roads full of potholes, and I must admit the fact that to a great extent all those potholes filled roads are no more in picture. And back to the highway now. Well, talking about exploring places, I'd like to share something that I came across in the Hindu. Tourism apps nearly destroyed the joy of discovering places through word of mouth and local lore. We all believe the development in technology, the availability of internet, mobile applications, all those have helped us a lot. However, the Hindu talks about a very different issue there. They are talking about the tourism applications, tourism apps available for travelers. They have nearly destroyed the joy of discovering places. These mobile applications have helped the travelers so much that they have taken away the interest of exploration. Dear viewers, what do you think about it? Comment below and let me know what do you think about it. The report says now most of the travelers who travel into unknown locations, they pretend to be locals where they go because they know everything about the place, unlike before. And most of these travelers have a cavalier approach. They don't really care what other people feel. And oftentimes we find travelers with a sense of bravado, trying to impress people. Exploring a place will definitely find something or rather interesting. Are these your bicycles?
Yes.
Ah, great. Bye.